path coefficient. So how we can get this path coefficient? If you click on this finding section, this is the first option, path coefficient. So by default, when you apply this technique, software will display this particular finding, which is the path coefficient. So but we need to examine the direct relation and indirect relation. So this is the direct relation. So what is the direct relation in this mediation model? The direct relation is starting from software quality and ending on the service quality. So we can see that this is the direct relationship of software quality on service quality. So please remember this relation, the impact of software quality on service quality. So now we need to check on in the table impact of software quality on service quality. This one is the last one. So this is the direct relationship in our mediation model, direct relation. So rest of the relationships are indirect, but the indirect relation, software is not showing the indirect relation in this path coefficient area. We need to go to this particular option, specific indirect effect. This is very important, specific indirect effect. So we need to check this specific indirect effect for both mediator variables, because we have two mediators and both variables have specific different indirect effect. We need to click on specific indirect effect. Oh my goodness, there are two specific indirect effect. So if we write the diagram, how we can mention it? Software quality, its impact on this one, individual performance, the first mediators, and then this one, service quality, serve queue. Okay, the second mediator, software quality on information quality, software quality on information quality, and its impact on service quality. Service quality is the common dependent variable. So these are the indirect effect. We cannot say that this relationship is also here. So this relation, I would like to remove this direct effect, because in this particular area software is only showing the indirect effect, not the direct effect. So these are the two indirect effect, and we just need to check either these indirect effects are statistically significant or not. So for the mediation, both the indirect effects should be statistically significant. Yes, our goodness, both the indirect effects are statistically significant. How? Because the p-value is less than 0.05, 0.00000, and the t statistics value is greater than 1.96. So we can say that software quality has indirect relationship with service quality through the mediation of individual performance and through the mediation of uh, information quality. So our both uh, mediation our both hypotheses of the mediations are accepted here with the empirical findings, because our direct relationship is also significant and our indirect relationships are also significant. Both indirect relationships are statistically significant, which is the evidence of the existence of a mediation. So mediation exists, and we can say that the mediation of individual performance and mediation of information quality exists in the model. This is our goodness. So this is the parallel mediation. So now we are going for the next type of
Excuse me,
mediation, which
sir.
is the please.
More than one dependent variable. Should we draw another for calculating or in a single sheet can we
No, in the same
calculate?
model, we can put more than one mediating variable. So yes, if I add one more independent variable, no problem. For example, there is another variable, process performance. So if I add this more independent variable, dependent variable, that would be the process performance. So I need to put the indicators of all these uh, indicators of this variable process performance. These are now the two dependent variables. So I need to connect the relationship of mediations with that particular uh, dependent variable, and also the direct effect of that particular independent variable. So we can also apply this particular uh, bootstrapping technique. So now I need to check the specific indirect effect. Now we have 4 indirect effects rather than 3 indirect effects. So the first one, starting from the software quality, then individual performance, then process performance. And similarly, the next variable starting from the software quality and its impact on information quality, and similarly the dependent variable is process performance. So similarly we can have more than more independent and dependent variables, and also mediators. So uh, now we have 2 dependent variables. So similarly the nature will be the same. We can easily test this kind of model by putting more than one dependent variable in a single sheet. Yes, please. Okay,
Thank you,
now
sir.
welcome. Now I'm moving toward uh, testing of the serial mediation, which is very important. Serial mediation. You know about the serial or series of mediation, serial or series. I just need to recall you people that if I could open this Word document file, and I just need to put the people, this one, then the next one, this one, then this one. So all these people are working together. So they will give their hands in the hands of other. So this concept is called serial or series of people. So similarly, I also learned electronics. You know about electronics, series circuit or parallel circuit. So previously we discussed about the series parallel mediation. Now we are going to discuss the serial mediation or series of mediation. So serial mediation or series of mediation mean if A is independent variable, it affects on B, and then B affects on C, and the C affects on D, and the D is the dependent variable. If the D is dependent variable, then uh, now there are 2 mediating variables. One is B and one is C. So we need to check the relationship of A on D. So this particular concept is called serial mediation. Serial mediation. So now we are going to test the serial mediation, and sometime normally in our model we apply these kinds of mediation, but we are unable to report the word serial mediation in our topic or in methodology section. So if you are applying this type of serial mediation and you are mentioning these kinds of words in your methodology or in your topic, then definitely it will be it will increase the of research paper. So use these kinds of words, serial mediation or parallel mediation or mediated moderation. So these are very simple things. This is not the rocket science. So I need to just add one more arrow on, maybe on this particular variable. So maybe if I, for my understanding, for the to provide easiness to you people, I need to remove the arrows. So now, if I could remove this variable, now we have two mediators: information quality, process performance, and this is the dependent variable. So I can put the direct relation here, and I can also test the relation uh, of software quality on process performance. So this is the case of serial mediation. And
Sir,
ji, ji.
for better understanding, we can have a look on the model number 6 and on Preacher and Hayes. For serial mediation, for the better understanding, we can have a look on the model number 6 of Preacher and Hayes.
Okay, yes, this one. This is great. So we can also put more than even two variables. There are three variable in the serial mediation. So we can put three mediators, or we can put two mediators in the serial mediation. So if we go for this particular model and we put three variables, this is also the case. So we can also put another variable. This particular variable, we can connect it